Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb with Red Racing Industries. We are back with episode 31 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. So today going to be hitting up Watkins Glen International. So as we always do, we're starting. Oh, come on, come off. I just got done with some training in the GT3 RS. I should make a video on what I've been doing. Anyway. So, once again, I've also been training, but we're hitting up Watkins Glen International for episode 31. So let's go ahead, hop right in. Let's get this video started. Here we go, hopping into our cockpit here. We're going to be heading in. I do need to change my tires. So let's go ahead and do that real quick as we continued from the last episode. Turn that down a little bit. Let's go car settings. Let's go back to our racing softs. You know what? Let's do mediums. I've been doing a lot of practice on mediums. Let's stick with some mediums. Let's see what we can't do. So heading over to World Circuits. Once again, this is a little bit different than, medium softs. I guess not too much difference in the aspect of what we're doing, but still. So Watkins Glen International, episode 31. We're going to do long course, and then in the next episode, we'll do short course. So let's see what time of day. Oh, night is so pretty. Oh, good Lord. You know what? I'm going to do night. I think it looks so beautiful. So because, beginner level 1, 2, whatever, we're going to get the extra credits because I need the credits so I can buy my cars. Anyway, because I've been working on a lot of stuff, a lot of different practicing lately, and it doesn't allow me to get credits. Anyway, so here we are in our Type R. Just go ahead and pay attention. I'm just looking at the graphics inside of the car. You can see the fuel level, everything just like that. The coolant temp is high. I've never even got my Type R that high. Oh, what the? No, dude. That was inappropriate. Come on. Now that he's pushed us to the back. Okay. Let's get in here. Bye-bye, pal. We're getting loaded. So, once again, I've not been practicing the Type R. I've not even done this chicane before. Oh. Yeah, definitely different than a GT3 car. Oh, good. Oh. That's what I've been practicing, if you couldn't tell. Anyway, completely different car. Aerodynamics are not near as tight. Ooh. Now, I will make a video on at least what I've been doing over the last 2 weeks. I'm literally going to be hitting day 12 tomorrow of what I've been doing. But I'm going to get 2 weeks of work behind it, and then I'll make a video, I think. Come on. But for today, we want to complete this. We're going to take some outside, kind of dangerous, and back on track. Oh, I think I did that to myself. But it definitely slowed them down. So, as I've been driving different cars, testing them out, changing them, I'm starting to feel a major difference between them. I mean, more than I thought there would be. Because obviously cars are very different in a lot of ways, depending on which ones you drive. But this compared to a GT3 car are entirely two different levels. Now, that is coming from, I've never driven a GT3 car in person or in real life, but I have, in Gran Turismo. Oh. It is just astronomically crazy at how different. I mean, I knew it was going to be different, but the way I attack and hold these corners is a different change in pace. I mean, I'm pushing this car like I would push a GT3 car. Anyway, let's see if we can't take a little wide, come in a little slow, slow down a little bit. There we go. That's a little better. Still not perfect, but that is definitely better. I downshifted it and didn't think it would make a difference, or I thought it would be okay. Oh, come on, Lamborghini. I'm gonna ride your tail, buddy. Oh, no. Come on. This is the last lap. Significantly better. Lap time. Not that it really matters, but... That was too much braking at the end of that. I needed to trail brake a little bit better. Come on. Come on, Lamborghini. Okay, we'll just wreck and go. Anyway. We're like drifting the Type R right now. Okay, there we go. We got first. Not too shabby. At least I say so myself. Aside from the mistakes and the getting basically taken out at the beginning of that there. Anyway, that was episode 31 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. Sweet. Anyway. I really enjoy driving it. So I didn't talk about it in here, but I'm going to try and mention it in every single video, so that's why I'm doing it here at the outro. Okay, let's get Gran Turismo to put a Porsche 944 in Gran Turismo. I want to see it happen. Also, I'm working on possibly getting some, yep, there I go. I'm working on possibly getting a different game. Different sim that'll come not anytime soon. It's going to be a little bit in the process, but I at least have what it takes to get into it that I know of, and I'm not trying to give away too much to keep a secret there, even though it's not much of a secret. I've talked about it. Anyway, that ends this episode. Hope you've enjoyed. Other than that, y'all have a wonderful day. I'll see y'all on the next video.